One, and I called it before, AI is unpredictable. If you give it the same prompt, you tell it would not behave the same way. It's actually stochastic, it's random. It will not create the same output. It might not take the same course of action. It is very unpredictable, even for various reasons. It's the nature of a neural network, but it's also the nature of AI systems that you're relying on. If you're relying on GPT-5, for example, to carry on things, you don't know what's under the hood and how much compute power you're getting. So you should expect AI to behave in an unpredictable way. The second thing is that every communication with an AI system or between two AI agents is MCP, is prompt. Prompts are easily manipulated. You could manipulate a prompt in a very easy way. The same instructions that, like the input that AI reads for context, could inject very easily malicious instructions. So the whole sort of prompts are something that's very hard to protect. Like even if you try to put some kind of a proxy and edit the prompt before they're sent, somebody could just put a prompt in French and bypass that. So because it's natural language, it is virtually impossible to start to control what prompt AI is going to be given. So if you're building a chatbot to talk with customers, you can't really rely on making sure only certain English texts are going to get to the prompt. There's always a way around some of those guardrails, so it's very hard to place protections. The quality of AI output is still unreliable today. Like we said, even we looked at code security. It's still something you can't rely for really complex operations. And if you're using a third-party model, there's a lot of models. Hugging Face is full of models. There are many malicious ones. There are some that are not trustworthy. So same like the open source problems. When using a third-party model, there are risks associated, very, very similar to open source, with the credibility, the data that's been trained on, and its intent.